Hello plant lovers. So I have been getting a lot of queries telling that, Sujit, how are you putting this 20-inch pot on your terrace? Won't it cause heaviness to your terrace, or how is it? So here is a simple trick what I use. The potting mix what I use is completely different from the traditional one. So as you can see, I use more than 60 to 70% of Cocopeat, which is lightweight and increases the aeration for roots in the plants. Second one, I use somewhere around 20 to 30% max of soil, and third one 10% of vermicompost. These are the three compositions which I use for my plants, and that's why it's not that heavy compared to our traditional pots. We can lift it easily and we can move it around. And why am I using Cocopeat? Soil is not needed for plants for any growth. It's just for the support for the plants to grow. That is why hydroponics and aeroponics came into existence. So that's the alternate method how we can grow plants. And for more such education content on gardening, don't forget to follow Biotechmaali.